I want to discuss some tips of the delicious Canadian recipes, a taste of Canada in every bite. Canada is a country known for its breathtaking landscapes, friendly people, and diverse cultures. This diversity is also reflected in its food. Canadian cuisine is a mix of indigenous traditions, French and British influences, and flavors brought by immigrants from all over the world, from hearty food, comfort food, to sweet desserts. Canadian dishes tell a story of history, nature, and community. In this video, I want to explore some classic Canadian recipes, explain their origins, and show you how to make them at home. I think you are fond of a delicious dish. So let's start with number one, Poutine. Canada's iconic comfort food. Poutine is one of the most famous Canadian dishes. It originated in Quebec in the 1950s and quickly became popular across the country. This delicious comfort food consists of crispy fries, cheese curds, and rich gravy. If you want to do or make at home, so you need some ingredients. You should take 4 large potatoes cut into fries, 2 cups cheese curds, 2 cups beef or chicken gravy, salt to taste, some oil for frying. How to make it? Prepare the fries. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large pot. Fry the potatoes until golden and crispy. Remove and place on paper towels to drain excess oil. Sprinkle with salt. Warm the gravy. Heat the gravy in a saucepan until hot and smooth. Assemble the poutine. Place the fries on a plate. Sprinkle cheese curds on top and pour hot gravy over everything. Serve immediately. Number 2, tortilla, savory meat pie. It is a traditional French Canadian meat pie, usually served during Christmas and New Year celebrations. It is a hearty dish with seasoned meat and a flaky, frosty crust. If you want to make it at home, so you need some ingredients. For example, 1 IB ground pork or a mix of pork and beef, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon allspice, half cup water or broth, 2 pie crust store-bought or homemade. How to make it? Cook the filling. In a skillet, cook the meat, onion and garlic over medium heat. And the spices, salt and pepper, pour in water or broth in and simmer for 20 minutes until the meat is cooked and the liquid reduces. Assemble the pie. Preheat the oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit or 190 degree centigrade. Place 1 pie crust in a pie dish, fill with the meat mixture and cover with the second crust. Seal the edges and cut small slits on top. Bake for 30 to 50 minutes until the crust is golden. Let it cool slightly before serving. Number 3. Bannock, traditional indigenous bread. It is a simple, delicious bread that indigenous communities in Canada have been making for generations. It can be baked or fried and enjoyed with soups, stews, and or jams. What should you need? 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoon oil or melted butter. How to make it? Mix the dough in a bowl. Combine flour, baking powder and salt. Gradually add water and oil. Mix until a soft dough forms. Cook the bannock. For baked bannock, shape the dough into a circle and bake at 190 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes. For fried bannock, divide the dough into small pieces, flatten and fry in hot oil until golden on both sides. Enjoy bannock warm with butter, honey, or alongside savory dishes. Number 4. Butter tarts, sweet and gooey treats. Butter tarts are a beloved Canadian dessert. These small pastries have a flaky crust and a sweet, buttery feel that's sometimes mixed with raisins and nuts. So you should need some ingredients for butter tarts. Number 1. 12 tart shells, store-bought or homemade. Number 2. Half cup butter melted. Number 3. 1 cup brown sugar. Number 4. 2 eggs. Number 5. 1/4 cup maple syrup. Number 6. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Number 7. Half cup raisins or chopped. Pecans optional. How to make it? Fahrenheit the oven. Set the oven to 190 degree centigrade. Make the filling. In a bowl, whisk together butter, sugar, eggs, syrup and vanilla until smooth. Assemble the tart. Place the tart shells on a baking tray. If using raisins or nuts and a few to each shell, pour the filling mixture into each shell, filling them about 3/4 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the filling is set and the crust is golden. Let cool before serving. Number 5. Nanaimo bars, no bake dessert delight. Named after the city of Nanaimo in British Columbia. Nanaimo bars are a no-bake dessert with 3 layers: a chocolate, coconut base, or creamy custard middle and a chocolate top. If you want to make it, you need some ingredients like base layers: half cup butter melted, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup shredded coconut. Middle layer, half cup butter softened, 2 tablespoons custard powder, 2 cups powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk. Top layer, 1 cup chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons butter. Now how to make it? Mix melted butter, sugar, cocoa, egg and vanilla in a bowl. Stir in crumbs and coconut. Press into a greased 9 into 9-inch pan. Chill in the fridge. Add the middle layer. Beat butter, custard powder, powdered sugar and milk until creamy. Spread over the base layer and chill again. Top with chocolate. Melt chocolate chips and butter together. Pour over the chilled layers, spreading evenly. Chill until the chocolate is firm. Then cut into squares. Number 6. Maple syrup pancakes. Breakfast favorite. It is a very delicious food recipe in Canada. Canada is the world's largest producer of maple syrup. So it is no surprise that maple syrup is a Canadian chicken staple. These fluffy pancakes are perfect for breakfast or brunch. If you want to make it, you should need some ingredients. 1 half cup flour, 3 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 over 4 cups milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoon melted butter, maple syrup for serving. How to make it? In a large bowl, whisk flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. In another bowl, mix milk, egg and melted butter. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, stirring until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour small amounts of batter into the pan to form pancakes. Cook until bubbles appear on the surface. Then flip and cook the other side until golden. Stack the pancakes and drizzle generously with maple syrup. Bringing Canada to your kitchen. I think you like this. You can make it in your home kitchen. Canadian recipes are full of warmth, history and diverse flavor. Whether you try a hearty meat pie, a comforting plate of Poutine or a sweet butter tart, each dish gives you a little taste of Canada's culture and natural bounty. These recipes are simple enough for home cooks and perfect for sharing with family and friends. So gather your ingredients, get cooking and enjoy a delicious Canadian feast. No flame ticket required. I think this video is very useful for you. So please comment, share with friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.